Hi kids, meet Ali, a cheerful little gardener. One sunny morning, he discovered the perfect place to grow a magical
Oh
garden.
my! Look at this perfect spot! It's beautiful! This would be a wonderful garden.
First, Ali cleaned the land, removed the tiny stones and weeds, and made the soil soft and ready. Next day, he carefully planted sunflower, strawberry, tomato, carrot, and flower seeds with love and care. Ali visits his garden daily and he takes care of every plant and fruit. Ali watered his plants and fruits daily, and all his birds and animal friends look at him with joy and curiosity. He and his friends were hoping something wonderful to grow. Look, tiny green sprouts popped out of the soil. Ali was so happy to
Oh
see
my
new life
goodness, they've
begin.
sprouted! I can't believe it! Look how big they are! Yay, they're growing!
Days passed and the garden bloomed with colorful flowers, juicy strawberries, fresh tomatoes, and crunchy
Look
carrots.
at all these beautiful vegetables and flowers. Aren't they lovely?
Ali shared his fresh harvest with his woodland friends, filling the magical garden
Isn't this
with
delicious?
cheers, happiness, and
Thank you, Abby.
smiles. Ali's beautiful garden became a place of joy for everyone. Remember, kids, consistency and hard work are never left unrewarded. Take care and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.